condo is very comfortable, feel like my home. So let's walk around here.
Nedhra, I'm so hungry right now. Shall we order some food and deliver right to our doorstep first?
Sure. Let's use Nham24 this time. It is one of the biggest food delivery platform in Cambodia. Very user-friendly.
Good idea. Nham24 has 1,000 of fully trained drivers and 10,000 of merchant partners listed in apps. It provides delivery service for most of the restaurants, takeaway shops, supermarkets, and grocery.
After ordering, we can just use mobile payment. Normally, I will order once I get off from work, so I can eat right away when I got home. The interior design of MESONG 3-bedroom has incorporated both modern and elegant elements, simplistic yet aesthetic, creating the atmosphere of an ideal modern home.
This 3-bedroom condo is around 92 to 125 square meters. The spacious living rooms come with a balcony without corridor.
The master bedroom has French window, which is perfect for opening up the rooms. It comes with the master bathroom for the more luxury feeling.
The other 2 bedrooms also equipped with French windows so that the abundant light shining through the large glass panel, making you feel more relaxed.
The marble kitchen is so beautiful and elegant. It is fully equipped with all necessary appliances.
The bathroom is modern, clean, and comfortable.
With has fully engineered facilities, MESONG is a home full of possibility emerges.
MESONG offers various types of units in high quality standard. If you are interested in MESONG units, please leave us a message to receive additional information.
Look, I'm full the rides. Let's enjoy it.
It took only 20 minutes for the food to arrive. It's still hot like freshly made.
Totally. Whenever we don't feel like going out for meals, it is a very convenient choice. Having such a nice meal with breathtaking nice view of the Phnom Penh, what an enjoyment!